Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Siti Nurfatim binti Ahmad, matric number 246015. This video is recorded due to our individual assignment for database. We need to separate into 4 types of question, whereby I need to do Z2, which is my question is ANZ Banner House. It is an advertising company. This advertising company offers 3 kinds of service that are banner, name card, and flyer printing. Customer that require their service should place an order that indicate the order ID, customer name, date of order, order amount, and order due date. If the customer order for banner, they need to give information of event name, event start date, event end date, and the location. To order name card, customer need to provide type name, address, phone number, and email. Meanwhile, for flyer, customer need to provide title, abstract, and content. Customer can request more than one service is in an order. Customers are required to provide their customer ID, customer name, customer address, customer phone number, and customer email. After receive an order, the order detail will be passed to designer according to service type. Each service can be designed by several designers, but a designer only allowed to design one kind of service. Designer information such as designer ID, designer name, address, phone number, salary, and appointment date. Every time the designer receives an order, they need to fill in design form that contain order ID, customer name, designer name, date received, and complete date. After the design process finished, it will be transferred to printing department. The printing department need to record design ID, date received, and printing cost. Customer will get the order when all service required has been printed. In this UML diagram, service can be required by many customers. Meanwhile, the order placed can be used for many customers. One service can design by many designers. For printing department, one printing department can be recorded by one designer. Meanwhile, one designer will fill the one design form. The printing department will transfer the information about customer, which is one customer can be transferred one printing department.